How to fix OpenAI services are not available in your country. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. Now you probably clicked on this video because you're getting an error on your ChatGPT that it is not available in your country currently. So don't worry, it's going to be very simple. All you're going to do is you're going to go and get a VPN Chrome extension. Now you can just use free VPN, pretty decent stuff. So once you go on free VPN, you're just gonna come here, turn it on. So once your free VPN is on, all that you're gonna do, now I currently use ZenMate, but you can go with the free VPN if you want to. And once you have your free VPN, just set it to maybe USA, UK, or Canada, and you should be easily let into the ChatGPT space. So yeah, that is how simple it is to change your region and get into ChatGPT. Thank you for watching and goodbye.
Make money with AI today. Download a free guide now at AImoneytips.com.